welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to prepare a Ghanaian local dish called Fufu and Palmnut soup. A very delicious one at that. Guys, watch to the end and enjoy how this particular meal is being prepared, guys. So first of all, we remove the palmnut from the husk. Guys, I'll be talking when necessary. After removing from the husk, you wash it nicely, okay? We'll be boiling it together with the turkey beans. So guys, after washing it, I would add up the turkey beans to boil it together, guys. And how do you know if it is cooked? Well, you just remove one of the palm nuts and press. If it is soft, that means your palm nut is ready. Should I say palm nut first? So yeah, guys, after we were done, we put it on fire like I said and boil. Guys, let's continue watching. At this point, we started preparing our ingredients needed for steaming our meat for the soup. So this was us grinding our natural spices for the meat. Guys, watch and see how our meat was steamed. At this point, I added my spices and my salt, so ready for fire. So at this point, we were very hungry, so we had to sort ourselves out with pawpaw, guys. So we have to pound the cooked palm nut fruit and the turkey beans, guys. After that, we sieve it nicely and put it on fire. Because palm nut fruit is an oily fruit, we have to deal with hot water. So this is me pouring hot water into the mortar to wash it into the palm fruit, the pounded palm fruit. So guys, I would mash it with hot water to make sure the oil is melted, and then I dilute it with cold water so it doesn't hurt my hands. So I would sieve it, guys, and then put it on fire for boiling. So at this point, our meat was ready. It was well steamed. So what I'll do is to put it down and then roast our aiding fruit called prekese. Prekese is needed in palm nut soup because it gives it this nice aroma. It makes the soup so delicious and yummy. So the reason why we put it on fire is because we want the aroma to really diffuse in the soup very well, guys. So after roasting it, I put the soup on fire. But before then, we added charcoal to the fire. So this is how we cut the prekese or aiding fruit into the soup, guys. At this point, I added the fish powder. The fish powder actually gives it a taste and it makes the aroma really nice, guys. This soup was smelling so good. Damn, guys. At this point, I added the steamed meat as well to allow it boil. So now we move to the yam and cassava because our fufu is going to be made up of yam and cassava, guys. So I would peel all of them up and then boil it and pound for the fufu. Fufu is pounded, right? Yes, guys, let's continue watching. At this point, the yam and cassava was ready, so I had to put it down. But before you can pound the fufu, you have to strain the water or liquid in it. Or should I say stock? Yeah, you strain the stock from it. And guys, this is our mortar and pestle ready for pounding. But before we pound the fufu, the yam, we have to pound the cassava first because mixing them all up would result to bumps in the fufu, and we want our fufu so smooth, guys. Just look at it. So this is the cassava. You put this cassava and then you pound the yam. Afterwards, you add them all up, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. At this point, our fufu was ready, so I'll scoop it nicely, smoothly into a bowl or a plate, and then ready for eating, guys. So after dressing the fufu and putting it in a bowl, then I serve the whole family, and this is our soup boiling very nicely, guys. So you are invited, guys. This was so delicious. Thank you for watching. I so much appreciate.